relaxation. Take your time to find a comfortable seated position where your spine can be long and your knees below your hips. You can close the eyes or soften the gaze, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears and soften your belly. Bringing your focus to your breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose, gently pausing at the top of that breath. And as you exhale, breathe through the mouth. Continuing inhale, breathe through the nose, gentle pause at the top of that breath. And exhale fully through the mouth. Inhale. Pause. And exhale. Now allowing your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Begin to breathe in and out through the nose. Then as you breathe, follow your breath. Notice where it travels. Check in with your body. Is your belly still soft? Have your shoulders crept up towards the ears? If so, use each exhale to just gently relax that tension. And remember that this is a practice. Inhale. Exhale. Continuing in your own time. Allow yourself to just be with your breath. And any time you feel your mind wandering, bring your focus back to your breath. You can repeat to yourself the word inhale as you breathe in, and exhale as you breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Coming back to your surroundings, start to deepen your breath and take a moment to notice how you feel.